kapuso, this Monday morning, buena mano kita kayo sa Dabawenya Beauty Queen nga mo'y marepresenta sa Davao City sa Miss Universe Philippines pageant ang atong makauban. Mga kapuso, please help me in welcoming Ybonne Ortega. Maayong buntag, Ybonne. Nag-welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. How are you?
Maayong buntag sa tanan. Maayong buntag, Attorney Resi. I'm Ybonne Ortega po, your Miss Universe Philippines 2021 representing Davao City. I feel good today po. How about you, Attorney Resi? Long time no see.
Good to see you too, Ybonne. I'm really doing well right now. But of course, congratulations for making it to the top 30 sa Miss Universe Philippines. Now, how do you feel right now?
Right now, I feel very excited po, and we will have our flight to Manila very soon. So fingers crossed, we will really have a blast with this journey.
Syempre, this morning is all about getting to know you and your journey. Kailan ba nag-umpisa yung interest mo in joining beauty pageants?
Actually, it started when I finished high school po. I got into an accident. And then with that accident, I really had almost less to none confidence. And then my dad was the one who pushed me. Matangkad ka naman. You have the communication skills. I think you can do this. So yun, pinush niya ako and I joined this local pageant. And I ended up being the first runner-up. So at that point, parang, ako'y potential, ani. I can pursue this and make this something great. So that's what I did po. I started from the bottom, Jude. I started from the barangayans. I went to local pageants all around Mindanao. And actually, just a fact, this is my first pageant outside Mindanao.
Recently nga, pinakita din ng Miss Universe Philippines yung inyong mga tourism videos. Can you share with us naman your story kung paano nyo ginawa yung iyong sariling tourism video?
You're just in time for the Kadayawan Festival. I'm Ybonne Ortega, malipayo na pag-abot sa lungsod ng Davao, the city of eagles and flowers.
Yes po, I really had fun with the experience. We only had 2 days to shoot everything. So we really tried our best to summarize everything that we can do here in Davao City, especially in a pandemic. So we really highlighted their responsible traveling as well. So we tried to feature different places like People's Park, Magsaysay Park, all the other areas where you can do activities. So we really tried to show all the activities that everyone can do here in Davao City as long as you travel responsibly. So also, I hope you can travel here soon. We have other places that you can also witness and truly enjoy the experience of being a Dabawenya.
Syempre, hindi talaga madali yung ginawa at pinagdaanan ninyo because, you know, from filing your applications, top 100, 75, and then down to 50 at ngayon na top 30. Can you share with us ano yung mga preparations naman na ginawa mo mentally and physically?
Yes, in terms of my preparations naman po, it really said mentally because you can't focus yourself without having that mental focus on something. So I started with my mental confidence first. I started to really push myself that can I really do this? Do I have time for this? But then I set my goal that yes, I can do this. I will do this and I will do my best to prove that I can do this. So mentally, I'm good. And then it started physically. So I had my trainings in terms of the ramp modeling, in terms of the ramp walking, in terms of putting on makeup, in terms of improving my physique. So it really starts mentally, physically, and last one is spiritually. I always pray at the end of the day because I couldn't achieve anything without the grace of God.
Syempre, pag beauty queen, hindi mawawala ang question and answer portion. Well, if you were to create a hashtag or start a campaign using a hashtag, what hashtag would you use and why?
For my hashtag, I'd like it to be hashtag Dabawenya. So it's hashtag Dabawenya because I've been using that hashtag all through my journey. Even before I started Miss Universe po, I really want to highlight that I am a Dabawenya and I am maganda. So we just combined it and made it into hashtag Dabawenya. So wherever I may go, people would know that I am a Dabawenya and I am proud to be beautiful inside and out.
And of course, complete the statement, I am Ybonne Ortega and I am blank.
am Ybonne Ortega and I am your next Miss Universe Philippines 2021 because I am strong, I am beautiful, and I am confident.
Very well said, Ybonne. Thank you very much. Ano naman ang mensahe mo sa lahat ng ating mga viewers, lalo na dito sa Mindanao, and please invite them also to continue supporting you as you compete dito sa Miss Universe Philippines.
Hello everyone. Thank you so much for supporting me all throughout my journey so far. I hope that you will continue to show your support with me and with my fellow Miss Universe Philippines sisters. So, wala pa jud na human amo ang journey. This is just the start and we will continue to show to you all the beauty, the glitz, the glamour, and the intelligence of what a Filipina is. So, I hope you will continue to show your support. Follow me in my social media accounts on my Facebook and Instagram. It's Ybonne Ortega po. Also, I have a link in my Instagram that you can follow so that you can witness our journey all throughout the preliminaries, the gown, and the closed-door interview.
Dagan kaayong salamat, Ybonne, and we will be with you as you compete for this national pageant. Dagan kaayong salamat and best of luck.
Yes, thank you so much po for extending your time and inviting me with your show po. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. I hope to see you soon again, Attorney Resi.